In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to extract just the 10 digits from um, a row where you have numbers separated by a delimiter. Okay, I saw this online. It was something that went viral. I think it was posted by shandu.org. Okay, and I decided obviously to come up with a solution to that. Okay, so let's go. All right, so this is what we're faced with now. If you look very closely at this, right, you can see that we have three sets of numbers separated by a hyphen, which is the delimiter here, and we have the same. Now, the interesting thing is the 10 digits doesn't appear in the first position in this row, and it's in a different position in the row. So we cannot just say, oh, use one of the text functions called the left or mid or right. We have to do a combination of things, okay? Now, first, what we have to do is to find a way to extract each number, okay? So I'm going to have a helper column here, and I'm going to call this first, okay? And I'm going to call this second, and I'm going to call this third. Okay, maybe I should shift this down a bit. Okay, center it. Okay, I can apply the formatting of, oh, great. Okay, and I'm just going to expand this a bit. Okay, all right. Now, for us to extract the first digit, we're going to have to use a text function called the left. Okay, what the left function does is it's when you give it a string or a text, what it does is you specify the number of characters from the left you want it to extract. Okay, so we go left function. Now we select this text, okay, because we're trying to extract just the first number. Now we could easily just say 5 because the length of the numbers for the first one is 5. Okay, and we do that and we can see what exactly that is. Now, but if we drag this and copy this down, see, for the last row, we don't actually get what we want. So this is not dynamic in any way. So we undo, okay? So what we have to do, F2, to edit the formula, is we're going to step into this. And to make it dynamic, what we need to do is to use the find or the search function. Now, they are basically the same function. It's just that the find is case sensitive. But in this video, what we're looking for is the delimiter, which is a hyphen. So it really doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm going to use the find function. And what are we looking for? That's the first argument. Is to find the text, okay? But we're looking for the hyphen, so we have to put it in double quotation mark, okay? Within which text? Of course, within this text, okay? So it's gonna find the first hyphen, okay? So what we're telling Excel is give us the number of characters that is equivalent to the hyphen. So what this does is it counts how many positions away is the hyphen. So of course, if we evaluate this with F9, we see 6 because it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, but the length of this is not 6, so we need to subtract 1. Okay, so to make it dynamic, and there you go, we have this. Okay, and we can't double click here. Now the reason is because we don't have anything here in the adjacent cell, so we just drag down. Perfect. This is exactly how we want it. So we're going to take note of this formula. Now, to get the second position, now notice that there are two hyphens. So we need to use a function that helps us to extract characters where we can start just after the hyphen and end just before. Okay, but first we're gonna have to write a formula. Okay, we know how to find the first hyphen. Pretty simple. This and within this text. Okay, and of course it's in the sixth position. Now, how about we wanted to find the other hyphen? Now, a simple trick is we're going to copy this, okay? Escape. We're going to do the same thing. Find, of course, the hyphen within text, okay? But now we have to use a start number. Notice that this argument is optional, but if we just go with this same thing, it's only going to find the first. So what we have to do is try to make it find the second. Okay, so now when we put this argument now is 6. If we leave it at this, it's still going to find the first argument, and this will be equal to 6. Okay, but intelligently what we can do is we don't want it to start from here because we need it to start from anywhere after here, and it will definitely find this one. So all we need to do is just add 1. That's it. Okay, so if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, and then we have the second hyphen. Okay, this is going to help us, especially when we're using the mid function. Okay, another thing we can do is copy this, okay, and copy it to the clipboard. All right, okay, and then escape, and then we copy this to the clipboard. Okay, beautiful. And we use the mid function here and mid text, and it says start number. Now where do we want to start from? We want to start from this, okay, but 1 character after this. Okay, now what is the length of the number of characters? Now it's simple. What we need is the number of characters in this case is going to be um what's it 1 2 3 4 5. So we're saying give us the 12th character minus whatever we have here, and we're going to have what is left. Okay, so we just do this minus this. This should give us what we're looking for, and close parenthesis. Okay, now of course we understand why this is. We need to subtract 1 more character, and that is because of this, the addition of this. Okay, so minus 1 to account for the other space, and then we can send this down. Perfect. Okay, so we have for this, and then we have for this. Right, now to extract the third character, we use the right function. Okay, and then of course the right function takes just 2 arguments, the text and the number of characters. Now what we can simply do is, because we want everything on the rightmost position, we just take the length of this and subtract this, which is the second hyphen, and this should give us what we're looking for exactly. Okay, and then we send this down. Beautiful. Now this is our first position. Okay, so copy to the clipboard, escape. This is our second position. We copy to the clipboard, escape. This is our third position. We copy to the clipboard and escape. Now we have to write a logic saying if the length of the first character, okay, follow me. We say if, okay, if the length, right, of this, which is the first one, okay. Notice why I had to use the clipboard because it's going to get really long. We can't be typing the formulas. If this is equal to, okay, this is the logical test, is if this is equal to 10, okay, return this. If not, return a blank. Okay, and now we have to concatenate this with another if. Now we have to test for the second character, which is this. If the length, okay, of this, close parenthesis, is equal, sorry, yeah, is equal to 10. Yeah, because it's not greater than 10. Is equal to 10. Okay, give me this. If not, give me a blank. And of course, and we concatenate this with another if, and we say if the length of this, which is the rightmost text, close parenthesis, is equal to 10, then give me this character. If not, give me a blank. Now, notice what I'm saying, because in everything, there's just one character that has the 10. And so if we don't, if he doesn't obey the logic, it gives us a blank. We concatenate a blank with a blank, and we only will have the 10 digits once we push enter. Amazing, right? And then we send this down. And we can align it, we can change, we can use a format painter, yeah, and apply the same formatting all the way. Brilliant, right? So what we've just done is to say if the length of this first character is not equal to 10, give me a blank, concatenate it with this, and concatenate it with this. So I have a blank and blank, and then of course I have just a number. So that's how you do it. We needed to work with helper columns. So this is the very long formula and how to do it one formula. Thank you very much for staying tuned to my telecast on Excel. And till I come your way next time, this is No. We'll do this again.